Now that we have set up a process and we have invited users to the workspace, we can start using the most powerful feature of GridGo, the artificial intelligence. What I do is I go to the deploy button here, and it opens a small window that says add users to the process. Since I'm the only user in this demo, I will invite myself. I click on invite user and I pop up as a choice. I add myself and it says Johan Wedel has been invited to the process. I can close this window now and I will see a notification that says user has been invited to process. Right now that's all the work I need to do. The system will do the rest. The user will get an invitation and be asked to go to the app or a browser to complete an interview. To show you how this works, I'll go to this button here that says dialogue. I click it and then you will see the grid chat. As you can see, the chat greets me and asks me if I'm ready to be interviewed about a process called booking a meeting. Can we talk about this process now? Yes. The AI then proceeds to explain to me the details of the process and then ask me, now tell me the first step of the process. Remember to include the role and title of the person as well as any systems or tools used. If I then write, manager sends an email with booking details. The AI will read this, understand it, and reply with what happens after it's been sent. Chat user typically then proceeds with explaining the entire process, adding details, and being notified by the AI if it makes mistakes or needs to add more information. A typical user spends about 5 to 10 minutes per interview and can be added to multiple processes. The benefit with using AI is that employees can do the interviews anywhere and when it's the most convenient time. I will now finish the interview with the AI. Once I've finished explaining the process, the AI now asks me if I know of any problems in this process. I click yes. The manager should be able to book meeting room digitally. And then proceeds to give me the opportunity to give a score of the process. I put a 3. And it ends with thanks. Right now there are no more processes we need to talk about. So I will close down the window. Now that we've finished collecting information from employees, we move on to the modeling.